Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Alright, so let's begin. So basically the process is really easy. I'm sure all of you can handle it. And I'm gonna tell you that you can perform a reboot from time to time just to delete the background processes, and it will also helps a little bit with the performance of your phone. So let's begin. First we need to open up the power menu. To do this we need to simply hold the power button for around 3 seconds. Okay, here it is. And now we need to simply tap on restart, tap again. Now as you can see the screen went black, and in a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and then again ready to use. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.